Some news breaking into us in just the last couple of minutes involving former President Trump now going to the Supreme Court. He is asking the justices to try to overturn the Colorado ruling that took him off the primary ballot in that state. I want to get right to NBC's Dasha Burns, who has posted up for us live from Iowa, of course, with those caucuses less than 2 weeks away. Talk to us about what we're just learning, this appeal to the Supreme Court. It is not unexpected. Yeah. The timing was a question mark, but here now in the 5 o'clock hour Eastern time, we have it. Talk us through it.
Well, so let's remind folks about that Colorado Supreme Court ruling, which was based on language in the Constitution and the 14th Amendment that prevents those who engage in an insurrection from running for various federal offices. And in that appeal to the Supreme Court, Trump's lawyers said that if the court were to allow it to stand, it would mark the first time in history of the United States that the judiciary has prevented voters from casting ballots for the leading major party presidential candidate. The court, the lawyer said, should return the right to vote for their candidate of choice to the voters. Now, this is a major and unprecedented situation here, Hallie. We also have a similar situation playing out in Maine, of course, and we've had rivals of the former president denounce both of these decisions, both in Colorado and in Maine. In fact, even some Democrats have been critical of this. And what we've seen on the ground in states like Iowa, like New Hampshire, like South Carolina, is like with the indictments, there has been kind of a surge of support. At one Vivek Ramaswamy event recently, a woman stood up and said, you know what, I want to vote for you, but how can we not stand up and support the guy that they're trying to tear down, she said. So this is something that we've seen politically as Trump's legal troubles have escalated. His political support has escalated in tandem, Hallie.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.